Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and make a Canva holiday Instagram post for your stories. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and search for a template on Canva. So for example, Christmas. Now, for example, if you like this right over here, this is going to be 1080 by 1350 pixel. You need to go ahead and customize this template in order to make this a story size, because a story size is normally 1080 by 1920. Click on resize, and then click on resize again, and then simply click on Instagram story, and then to go ahead and click on resize. Keep in mind that in order to resize, you will need the premium. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.